Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Offices Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. So guys, what we are doing the important definition terms of the various acts, and the acts are very much important, okay? So right now we have done the Indian Contract Act, Indian Partnership Act, SOGA Act, and today we are going to start the Company Act. In the Company Act, we have basically finished the definition portion of the company. After definition, we have done with the definitions, then features of company, types of company, what is memorandum of association, what is article of association, directors, member, winding up, etc. So these are the syllabus of your Company Act. Okay, now let's start with the definition portion of the Company Act. Okay, one by one we will study. What is this? What is abridged prospectus? What is abridged? So guys, what is prospectus? Prospectus is basically, you can say that, the brochure of any company. That is called prospectus. And what is abridged prospectus? Abridged means in which the guidelines are given by the SEBI. A very important. What is this? The guidelines are given by the SEBI. This is called abridged prospectus. A very important. Done. What is appellant tribunal? If any dispute of the company, always come NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. So in National Company Law Tribunal, if we are not satisfied with the decision of this, we can go to the NCLAT, that is National Company Law Appellant Tribunal. So this is your Appellant Tribunal. Got it? Now, next, what is article? We know that in company there are two important documents. What are the two important documents? Memorandum of Association and Article of Association, right? So what is Article of Association? That is basically which talks about the internals rules and regulations of company. This is called Article of Association. What is this? Basically, which talks about the internals, rules and regulations of the company. This is called Article of Association. Done. What is associate company? Associate company means, suppose X company is there, and I'm also going to highlight the things so that you can easily understand. Abridged prospectus is important. Appellant tribunal is important. This is important. This is important. And what is associate company? Suppose X company is Mahindra. X company is Mahindra, and there is a Y company. Y company is Tech Mahindra. Y company is, guys, Tech Mahindra, right now. So X company have taken the share of Y at least up to 49%, not more than 49%. Whether X company will take 20%, 30%, 40%, but not more than 49%. If that shares come under this company, so Tech Mahindra is called as the associate company. This is very important. Tech Mahindra is called class as a associate company, right? Now, what is authorized capital? Authorized capital means that is the maximum amount of share capital of a company. What is this? Maximum amount of share capital. Suppose 500 share company have given, and whatever the amount that is coming by selling the 500 share, this is called authorized capital. Okay. Banking company, which is defined under the Banking Regulation Act. That is so simple. Banking company. Okay. What is board of directors? That is the collective body of directors of a company. This is called board of director. See, this is board of director. Done. What is books of account? As we know that every company have to maintain the books of account so that it can be used as an evidence if any matter will come in front of the court. So books of account include all sums money received and expended by the company, sale and purchase of goods and services, assets and liabilities of the company, item of cost as may be prescribed under this. This is called the books of account. So that can be come in the form of question. What is branch office? Suppose a company is there. Its branches are opening in the various place. That is called branch office. Called up capital. Called up capital means suppose the share has been distributed but the money is not came. So whatever the money that we are calling, that is called the called up capital. Called for the payment. That is called for the payment. That's it. This is important. Done, guys. So this is called up capital. What is charge? Charge is basically, you can see, interest or lien that is created on the property and assets of a company or any of its undertaking, both as security and includes the mortgage. It means suppose charge is basically suppose the lender and the creditor. The lender and the creditor give money to the borrower. So whatever the security that is taken by creditor and the lender, the interest and lien is created on it. This is called charge. This is called class charge. What is charter account? Charter account, as you know that is the basically a particular post. Chartered account. That is the exact definition is given under the Chartered Accountant, okay, Act 1949. Okay, now the types of companies there. In the types of company, as you can see that company limited by guarantee and company limited by share. So we have already done the types of company. So the company which is limited by guarantee, it means suppose if any company is going to be wind up, okay, if any company is going to be wind up, so in that case what will happen? In that case, that guarantee, suppose X person have given the guarantee of 50 lakh rupees, so only 50 lakh rupees that person is liable. What is company limited by shares? The company limited by shares, whatever the shares that is there, okay, whatever the shares that is there, only that much of whatever, suppose 50 shares he have taken, so the liability will be only imposed of 50 shares. See, this is called company limited by shares. Done. Next, company liquidator. The company liquidator is basically that is appointed by tribunals and appointed by company and creditor if suppose if it is a case of voluntary wind up. If it is a case of voluntary wind up, then the company and the creditor will appoint the liquidator. What is company secretary? Again, guys, under the Company Secretary Act, this is the post that work in the company. Just like charter accountant, CS is also a post that is in the company. What is court? Court is basically High Court, District Court, Court of Session, special court and metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate of first class. So this is the exact meaning of the term court. C class. This is the exact meaning of the term court. Important one. Okay. This is the important. Next, what is debenture? Guys, debenture is a kind of security that company will give as a security and take loan from the bank and financial institution. So that is called debenture. It includes debenture stock. It includes debenture stocks, bonds, any other instrument of a company evidencing a debt. This is called debenture. Okay, what is deposit? Any receipt of money by the way of deposit or loan in any other forum by the company. Okay, directors, that is appointed to the board of a company. Dividends, any interim dividend. So dividend is the profit. What is dividend? That is the profit. What is document? That is also important. Document is basically summon is the call letter, notice, requisition, order, declaration, register, whether issued, sent. That is the documents. That is the document, guys. Done? This is the document. Next, financial statement. That is important. Financial statement includes balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statement, the statement of changes in equity, any explanatory note. That is called the financial statement. And one thing you have to note down that, see, if we talk about the one-person company, and if we talk about the small company and the dormant company, dormant means sleeping company that is not actively participate in the business, these things, everything will be included, but may not include the cash flow statement. See, may not include the cash flow statement. What is financial year? That is ending on 31st day of March every year, and that is after the first day of January of a year. So from 1st January up to 31st of March of preceding year, that is called financial year. There is a one more calendar year starting from 1st January ending on 31st of December. Right? What is foreign company? The company which is established outside India. That is called foreign company. Government company, the company not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by central government. That is called government company. Holding company, the holding company means, suppose Tata company is there and Titan is there. So Tata company have shares up to more than 50% of Titan company. So Tata company is holding and Titan is the subsidiary company. So this is the basic difference between Tata and this one. Okay. The next one is class key managerial personnel. What is key managerial personnel? As you can see that here, the chief executive officer, the managing director, the company secretary, the whole-time director, chief financial officer, and such other officer. That's include this one. Member, the person who subscribe in writing, and every person holding share of a company. These persons are called share of the company, member of the company. These persons are called member of the company. Okay, what is memorandum? Memorandum is basically that's contain the 6 important clause: name clause, object clause, liability clause, association clause, then 2 more clauses are there. So in the memorandum, if every company is going to be established, so every company have to fill the memorandum of association. Okay. What is official liquidator? That is appointed under subsection 1 of section 359. One person company in which only one person as a member. What is private company? Private company, as you can see, in which there is a minimum paid up capital 0. There is a restriction on the right to transfer the share. Okay. And limits the member, because the maximum is 200 in the private limited company. Maximum 200. That's it. What are promoters? Promoters whose name is written in prospectus, control over the affair of the company, okay, and who shall apply a person who is acting in a professional capacity. This is called promoter. What is prospectus? Prospectus is basically what? The brochure of a company in which the, a future planning of a company is mentioned so that any third party can invest in that company. That is called prospectus. What is public company, which is not a private company? Minimum paid up share capital 0. Okay. In public company, minimum members 7 and the maximum unlimited. Register of company means register of company maintained by the registrar on paper or an electronic mode. Register, the person who registered the company, and we know that for every company registration is must require. What is share? Share in the share market of a company includes stocks. Small company whose paid up capital is not exceed 50 lakh shall not more than 5 crore rupees. Turnover does not exceed 2 crore rupees and not more than 20 crore rupees. This is your turnover. What is tribunal? National company or tribunal where the disputes of the company is held by the tribunal. The tribunal is the quasi-judicial body, not just like the court. Turnover, the aggregate value of the realization of the amount made from the sale. Unlimited company, company not having any limit on the liability of the members. That's it. So guys, this is all for today's class. So I hope so you people understand the definition terms, and this is your complete selection batch in which we are giving you the paid live class, interactive live class. Recorded sessions are also available there. Okay, you will got the mock paper done, and after mock paper you will get the ebooks also and your live session also. So this is your what you are getting in the paid class, and this is your CAIIB ka Mahapack. In the CAIIB ka Mahapack, all recorded session of the paid batches are given here. Video courses are available for all the classes. Ebooks are there. Mock paper are there. Marathon of June session is there so that you can understand the way of asking question in the exam. So these are the things that is given here. So guys, if you want to enroll it, what you have to do, click on Adda 24/7 all courses, right? JIB CAIIB. This is CAIIB November 2023. When you get this, click on English medium batch. So if you apply the coupon code, that is PREP77. This is PREP77. If you apply, you will get the discount of 77. 5519 is the exact price of this batch. So if you want to enroll in this batch, you can use the coupon code for the maximum discount. Okay. And for the CAIIB ka Mahapack also, CAIIB ka Mahapack, see here, this is your CAIIB ka Mahapack. Same coupon code, that is BRBL77. You can also get it for 12 month, for 6 month, and for 3 month. If you take it for 3 month, so this will be very useful for you people. Okay, for 3 month. Everything you are getting in the CAIIB ka Mahapack. Even the elective classes, the live classes will be there before the exam. So you can take this CAIIB ka Mahapack for the 3 month. Thank you so much for attending the session.